It's Tessa in the field, and I'm going to show you the red cabbage. So many people have had questions about it, and in fact, I had the question of why are we selling this as red cabbage when it's mostly green? And here is the answer. This new type of cabbage that we got from the seed company, Territorial Seeds. Actually, I don't think we buy from them. This has this beautiful blushing, and it's mostly a green cabbage inside. And sometimes our team doesn't always know. We don't have all of the pieces put together perfectly because we're a small farm-run business, and our helpers, our farm staff, they're moms too. And this time we just didn't get the communication right. Farmer Reuben put red cabbage on the list, and it's pink on the outside and green on the inside. And some of you had plans for using red cabbage and were disappointed. And I am so sorry about that. And the other thing about this cabbage is that it's just not growing as big as we would like. And that's Farmer Reuben's job too, to figure out what, maybe this variety isn't perfect for us. And maybe he won't plant it again next year, especially if people are disappointed. So if you love it, please let us know so that we can make seed buying decisions in the winter. The other thing is that maybe we'll plant this variety in later rather than in the spring for a summer cabbage. And that way we can get more of that purple color as the season cools and the colors on the cabbage change. So I hope that those of you who get this Diodon cabbage enjoy it. And we did lower the price so that you weren't so you're not paying for a full big head of cabbage, even though these cabbages were small. And we just cut as much as we could out of this field so that we could harvest it and send it your way. So that's a little bit of the behind the scenes about this special variety of green red cabbage. And next time we'll try to do a better job of making sure that there's an appropriate picture and appropriate labels so that when you're ordering your market bucks, you know what you're getting. We love to communicate clearly with you, and we do the best that we can. Sometimes things don't go perfectly, so thanks for supporting us in our ups and downs, and we really appreciate you as farm members. Have a great week and enjoy cooking all the things that you've gotten in your market box. Bye.